Look, look, what do you see? A big red circle rolling free. Round and round it spins so fast, like the sun up high, so bright at last. Shapes, shapes, everywhere. Triangles, circles, squares in the air. Find them here, find them there. Shapes are magic everywhere. Pointy top and sides so wide. A yellow triangle we can't hide, like a mountain tall and high, or an ice cream cone to try. Shapes, shapes, everywhere. Triangles, circles, squares in the air. Find them here, find them there. Shapes are magic everywhere. Four strong sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. A blue square right on the floor, like a window, like a door. Let's find more shapes to explore. Stars, hearts, diamonds too. So many shapes for